I'll break my neck.
Should I drop the water down on you?
In this episode, we'll be doing a little bit of everything from repairs to preparation to the animals that we've seen this week on our property. Now we have multiple jobs around the property to do before we can even begin building, and I wanted to go over those with you today. We have a sequence of events that have to take place. First of all, in order to take down this tree over here and another tree here that's sticking out in the driveway, we have to move the RV so that we don't hit it. We also need to move the propane tank so that it doesn't get hit by the trees when we take them down. Now here in the back of the fifth wheel, we also have a tree that's dead that has to be taken down. So since we have the RV moved, we're going to take that tree down as well. Now when we got this RV, we had to quickly in a day build a pad for it. And I'm showing you part of the pad here. We have skirting around the fifth wheel, but as you can see, our sewer is not under the skirting, so we would like to be able to extend the parking pad about 3 feet to the left so that we can move it over to the left once we put it back into place. Then we need to find and dig up the water lines and electrical lines, change out the electric boxes, and then bury the lines again. Then we can build the pad and move the trailer back into its spot. So last year we had a leak in the RV roof that we had to temporarily tarp.
Really?
Yeah.
You just said.
So you ready for me, huh?
Yep.
I really don't trust this ladder. You know, I'm always the one that gets hurt, so it's gonna happen. I'll fall and break my neck. So now that it's spring, we've removed the tarp and we are taping it. And hopefully no more leaks. Now that ladder was very unstable, so Scott suggested I get him a rope so that he could tie the ladder to the trailer.
Dum 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 so low. Dum 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 so low. Dum 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 so low.
I figured out my own way.
It's kind of like I said, I think. Well, yeah, it's kind of like I said.
Holding it up with my shoulder.
Yeah, trust me, I had to do that when I was a kid. I carried them a lot of different ways. I probably looked like a real freak.
So after struggling with the ladder and paying for it the next day, we got the other side of the RV taped and caulked in some areas.
Yeah, nice job. It's going to be a little different because it's the roll. Very good. Should I drop the water down on you?
So the tarp that we had over the RV, I'm now taking over into the driveway so that we can set up the tent.
I'm going to put you in the center
All right,
on the ladder.
of course. So the skid needs some repairs. So we're putting this tent up so that we can pull it in and Scott won't be so hot from working in the sun.
Big ideas, they start so small, but watch them grow. We'll have it all. A little try, a little spin. That's the way we're gonna win. We can do it, yes we can. Climb that mountain, make a plan. We can do it hand in hand.
One of the very first things we have to do is repair the equipment. As you can see here, our backhoe hood is not on, so that needs to be replaced to protect it from the weather. Our window also has gotten broken, so we need to repair that. And here's the dump truck, which we call Tonka because he's just so cute. So we've got a wheel to repair. Don't ask me what part because I don't remember what it is, but it's leaking. We also have to repair the skid, the fuse box. We had an electrical fire, and as you can see, he's repairing it right now. So we were just sitting on our couch the other night, and we heard the bird squawking, and when we turned around, this is what we saw. Isn't he adorable? We also just put up our bird feeders, and wow, are they loud. It's so relaxing just to sit and watch them after working all day. You might remember in the last episode how I talked about the air filters that I wanted to create with. Here are some of the things that I've already created with them, and if you guys have any other ideas, please let me know. I also incorporate any type of metal, as you'll see. I'm hoping to one day in the future be able to actually start creating. As always, thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. Please subscribe, like, and hit that notification button for future videos.